everyone! I'm Prona.
I'm Glory.
And my name is Andana.
And we're members from the Girl Scout Troop 56153.
And today, you guys are helping us earn our silver award.
In this presentation, we will be taking you through several steps on how to stay safe during the COVID-19 pandemic. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye! Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Today, we're going to educate you about a current world crisis that has affected people of all races across the globe. Leaving today, we hope you will learn how to stay protected from the virus. What is the coronavirus? The coronavirus is a world pandemic that officially started in Wuhan, China, and spread all over the world in the blink of an eye. The virus is 10 times more deadly than the influenza virus and spreads very quickly.
Here are the symptoms. Fever is a common symptom of the coronavirus. If your temperature is over 100 degrees, make sure to get it checked. Loss of taste or smell is more uncommon. However, if you are experiencing a lack of taste in sour or savory foods, this could be a valid symptom. Coughing is a very common symptom that has been noticed in a large number of patients. Dry cough, however, is more frequently occurred. Sore throat is a clear symptom of the coronavirus.
Here are some safety precautions. Whenever going outside in public, remember to always wear a mask. It decreases the spread as well as reduces the exposure of the deadly virus. Some safety precautions when going outside in public is to always social distance. This reduces the risk of getting exposed to the bacteria and germs surrounding others. This assists in limiting the opportunities to become in contact with contaminated surfaces and infected people outside your home. After coming home from an open area with likely candidates of the virus, remember to thoroughly clean and disinfect exposed surfaces. This eliminates any occurrence of inhabiting the deadly virus. Some extremely important areas to clean off are your hands, any items that were contaminated, and any areas of your body that may have the potential to contract the disease.
What should you do as a result of exposure? The first thing that you should do if you think you have been exposed to the virus is to get tested. During the process of getting tested, a healthcare worker comes to you and puts a cotton swab up your nose. This will collect mucus from your nose, which will then be tested for COVID-19. Make sure to quarantine yourself if you believe that you might have the coronavirus or have been showing symptoms. Staying home will help make sure that the virus will not spread from you to others. Quarantining for 14 days will ensure that you don't have the coronavirus anymore. Once confirming that you have the coronavirus, seek medical help. By getting proper medication, you have the possibility to recover faster. However, try to self-quarantine for as long as possible, because going to the hospital would put healthcare workers in danger. If your symptoms are getting worse or more severe, go to the hospital. Data and facts. USA data. The cases in the United States have so far been 16 million cases, and deaths, there have been 296,000 deaths. In Pennsylvania, there have been 476,000 cases so far, and there have been 12,298 deaths. And then in Allegheny County, we have had 38,029 cases, and we have had 658 deaths.
Ways to have fun while staying safe. Some activities to keep you busy during quarantine is to do crafts. They're proven to reduce stress levels as well as inhabit a great creative environment for you to stabilize in. Crafts such as painting, drawing, and creativity-inspired projects are very smart to invest your time into. Hobbies are very important to invest and fund your spare time into, as they will introduce you to a new activity that you might like. Hobbies such as trying a new sport, baking, or exercising to make you feel better is a great way to use our time. Another collaborative task to spend your extra time is to explore the outdoors in a safe way. Find an area of the outdoors where you can be adventurous and maintain a safe distance, like your backyard. You can enjoy a picnic, bike ride to a near trail, or just be in the present with nature.
Don't forget to join us at 8 p.m. to play a live Kahoot game.